You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's look at how to pronounce the name of this Mexican actor and director. He's famous for playing in Andor. Diego is his first name, a very common name in Spanish and in Mexico. Diego, you could say in English Diego, and then Luna, which is Spanish for the moon. Luna means moon in Spanish. Diego Luna. Diego Luna. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, Diego Luna. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.